In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync my desktop Dropbox. This process is essential for ensuring that your files are accessible and organized across your devices. Following these steps will help you easily manage your Dropbox settings and the files you want on your local drive. Start by opening File Explorer. You can do this quickly by pressing the Windows key and the letter E simultaneously. This action brings up a window that displays all your files and folders. On the left side of the screen, you will see a sidebar. This sidebar is your navigation tool, allowing you to access different locations on your computer. Familiarizing yourself with File Explorer is important because it acts as the gateway to your files. You will feel more in control of your file management as you navigate through it. Next, click on Dropbox in the left-hand sidebar. Once you select it, the main area of File Explorer will refresh to show you the contents of your Dropbox folder. This step is crucial as it allows you to see all the files and folders that are currently stored in your Dropbox account. By accessing your Dropbox folder directly, you can quickly identify which files you wish to sync or manage. This visual connection to your files makes it easier to organize and access them later on. Now, let's move on to the next step. Click the Dropbox icon in your system tray if you're using Windows. This icon is located in the bottom right corner of your screen, near the clock. If you're on a Mac, you will find the Dropbox icon in the top right menu bar. Clicking on this icon opens a small menu that provides various options for managing your Dropbox settings. This is an important step because it gives you direct access to your account details and preferences. Once that is done, click your profile picture or initials within that menu. A drop-down will appear, and from there, select Preferences. This action will open the Preferences window, which contains several tabs for managing your Dropbox settings. This window is essential as it allows you to customize your Dropbox experience according to your needs. You can adjust settings regarding notifications, bandwidth, and of course, syncing options. Now go to the Sync tab in the Preferences window. This tab is specifically designed for managing your syncing options. By selecting it, you focus on how your Dropbox files sync with your local computer. This step matters because it allows you to optimize your Dropbox's functionality based on the storage capacity of your device. You will be able to see options that help you manage which files are downloaded to your local drive. Next up, click Selective Sync. This option allows you to uncheck large folders that you do not want downloading onto your computer's local drive. By doing this, you save valuable storage space and keep your local drive organized. It's important to be strategic about which folders you sync, as this can significantly impact your computer's performance. You will notice how this simple adjustment can streamline your workflow and make file access more efficient. After you have unchecked the folders you do not wish to sync, make sure to apply the changes. This action ensures that your preferences are saved and your Dropbox will now reflect your selections. You may see a confirmation message indicating that the changes have been made successfully. With everything set, you can rest assured that your Dropbox is now synced according to your preferences, keeping your files organized and accessible. This concludes our guide on syncing your desktop Dropbox. Following these steps will help you manage your files effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.